What's up, everybody? Thank you all so much for coming back for another video. I appreciate you taking the time to do so. And this video is going to be a two-part series, going to be for beginners that are doing iPad calligraphy, or if you've ever been curious about it and you have wanted to learn. And also, if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. This is something that, I have found myself becoming more and more passionate about, just in regards to iPad calligraphy, because the crazy thing is I never thought that I would actually like it as much as I do. But with that said, go and give this video a like and subscribe. Leave me a comment below and let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so a few things I want to talk about. First, this is your standard iPad Pro. I got the 11-inch, and this is what works for me. Don't think that you have to spend crazy amounts. Spend what's within your budget. And this is Apple Pencil, first generation. Once again, this is what is working for me. My pencil is holding up. The nib is still good. And everything here, as you see, is still functioning properly. The charges work. And that is a little bit about the tools. So iPad Pro and Apple Pencil. And now let's go and get into the program. Before we get into the programs, I want to talk a bit about Apple Pencils. If you purchase an iPad, do not make the mistake that I did when I first got into iPad calligraphy and or lettering. I tried to be cheap and purchase an alternative. No, I have not found any alternative that is just as good as Apple Pencil. And plus, you should be able to find these at a good deal now. And now let's go get into the programs. So the program here is Procreate. Procreate, one of the most popular programs, is, how much is it? Hold on, I gotta pull it up here. It's $9.99, so $10. And the crazy thing about Procreate is that they consistently update it. And you wanna know another cool thing is that the updates are incredible. So this right here is 5.2. the latest update, and in the latest update you have the option to draw 3D, will draw on objects. And I mean, that right there is mind-blowing, to be able to do something in an app on a tablet device. So with Procreate you have many different types of canvases. Let me make sure you can see. And you could even create your own canvases. As simple as that. You could have change the DPI and color profile, even time lapse, canvas properties. I mean, I just created that one for no reason. But you all saw how easy that was to do. And taking it a step further, you can create the different canvases. Could be for whatever you are doing. So I have this full screen size, which creates the full screen size of the tablet device that you're using. And then have more 4x6, some for printing, different sizes, Instagram stories. Because at one point, if y'all follow me on Instagram, I was creating wallpapers daily and just putting them up for free for people who watch my stories. And then I even had one that I made specifically for, matter of fact, I need to delete that. That was very old, because Instagram, before they changed the dimensions of a post to where it would fill the whole post, the full post, because they didn't have that. It was always like a little bit of the something with the proportions. And you know, that's pretty much it. And then let me talk about a few of these. So once you hit select, you can select multiple documents that you've created, and you can either stack them, preview, or share them, or duplicate them. So whenever you stack multiple artworks, this is what you do. Well, this is what it does. It puts them all like in a group. And then like preview, obviously you could preview it, share it, you could share it and duplicate. Obviously duplicate and delete. We know delete means to erase. And then they also, in the new update on Procreate, these right here, the little function, split view, and you can go back like that. You can do it from right or left. Obviously, I don't have any need to do that. Not with how I work. And let's go to Adobe Fresco. All right, and so with Adobe Fresco, as you see, it is a completely different layout, as well as different approach to, you know, just overall experience within the app. So you create a new, you can do custom size, have the sizes that you saved, the digital ones, they have it in pixels, meaning digital would be for a digitally viewed, what am I trying to say? Digital would be for something that's going to be viewed digitally, meaning on a screen. And then you have print here. And the cool thing is they even have it in A4, and then they have it in inches, meaning like A4 is what they use in other countries, and they use millimeters like A4, A2, A3. I can't convert it because I do not know. And let's press this here. We'll switch to landscape, and then it's really, really neat. But you know, just like any app, it'll be a different experience. And Adobe Fresco, there is no charge, but I do believe there is a charge to, matter of fact, let me look that up really quick and we're gonna come back. And that is where we go ahead and close this video out. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below about which program you would prefer. Would you rather prefer Procreate or Adobe Fresco? So I will see you in the next video. Peace and love.